Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today we'll see the new feature rolled out on WhatsApp. So this is nothing but WhatsApp AI chat assistant. See, this is the options here on your home screen itself. When you open WhatsApp, right on the chatting conversations, you'll have this option. You need to tap on this. If this is the first time, it will just mention you about what this AI can do. You can generate pictures or you can ask anything, so this chatbot can reply you. So yeah, here when I tap on this, see here, ask Meta AI anything, get answers to any questions. See the second option, generate unique images to share with anyone you want. Yeah, so the first time you need to agree the terms and conditions and you need to click on continue. So here you can ask this WhatsApp chat bot to Meta AI, what Meta AI to generate images. For this tutorial purpose, I'll give a small hint to this. Create a interesting animation between monkey and lion. Yeah, I just gave this hint to the Meta AI. Let's see what it creates for us. Yeah, so just within seconds this beautiful image is ready. Now I can press and hold and I can click on these three dots. I can click on share or forward. I can share on Instagram or something like it, or I can even share on WhatsApp. So yeah, if you want to use it, you may want to try this. You can try this.